Hello guys, may I audible to you? Uh, let's start the problem solving. Before that, I want to post this one in the link. It is easy level problem. Let's see whether I am able to solve this one or not. We're going step by step. Firstly, we have to understand the problems. What the problem is. Okay. Flip square submatrix vertically. You are given m and 2n. It is a matrix square and three integers x, y, and k. The integer x and y represent the row and column indices of the top left corner of the square submatrix, and the integer k represents the size or side length of the square submatrix. Okay. Your task is to flip the submatrix by reversing the order of rows vertically. Return updated matrix. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12. X is 1. X represents square submatrix. And the integer k represents the size of the square submatrix. Okay. The size. Okay. Okay. Got it. So basically, we had to do. We have x is equals to 1. Nothing but the row. Okay. Row is 1. And y is 0 means the column value is 0. Let it be. And k is equals to 3. The k is size of square matrix where I need to flip the entire elements. So 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. So we have to take the this value and swap the this current value of row 1, 13, 14, 15. Means 13 swap with 5, 14 swap with 6, 15 swap with 7. Okay, got it. And remaining value is same, right? 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay. 9, 10, 11. Okay. We have y is equals to 2 and x is equals to 0. Okay. This is quite different from statement. Let's see. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 2. K is equals to 2. Y is equals to 2. Okay, we got it. This is the entire elements. So after swapping and all, it will 4 goes here and 2 goes here, means what? 3 goes there here and 2 goes there. Okay, got it. Just give me the give me the 2 to 3 minutes to understand it, how to code and how to think correctly. Okay, I'm going to create some pseudocode for that. Okay, Okay, guys, let's start the solving this problem. Whether I am able to solve this or not. I am creating one brute force approach, creating one another uh, matrix to store the entire elements, whichever is present. Okay, in that matrix, I would like to say K cos K matrix. On the basis of that, we're going to solve this one. Whether it works or not, I don't know. Let's start. For loop and I equals to 0, I less than K, I plus plus. Basically, so the matrix iteration it will take place. Okay, temp of I comma j, it will take grid of x plus I and y plus j. Okay, and then we're going to reverse the entire rules. Okay, for int I is equals to 0, I is less than k, I plus plus for int z equals to 0, is less than k, and j plus plus, and grid of x plus I is equals to sorry y plus j is equals to the temp value that is present inside the last index I1 minus I, and then okay means whatever the value is present that particular statement, it will take place and it will execute on this grade value. Let's say I'm going to return the grade. Basically, it is a brute force approach. Time complexity is big of n square and space complexity is also big n square. Okay, we got output 1, 2, 3, 4, 13. Okay, exactly similar. Let's say it will complete the entire test cases or not. Yeah, we should able to pass all the test cases while using this approach. So let's see whether we are going to optimize this or not. So we can use the two pointer approach and directly only we can start. It is working. Reconnecting successfully. Just a minute. Basically, temporary variables, what exactly it does is temp of I comma j. nothing but the initial value of temp of ij. It will take care of the x of I. X of I is nothing but the x value is 1. Okay. The I value is 0. So starting from I, right? Is 0. Means x of I is nothing but 1 of that particular value is going over here. Reconnecting. Okay. Let it be. Let's start solving another. Okay. Let's start solving another approach. So basically, we don't need to think the entire the lead code problem. We have to just think of the how we can optimize the particular problem. So okay, now it is working fine, right? Just wanted to check. I'm checking whether I'm audible to you. Okay, let's start solving another one. Okay, we are going to solve this one. K minus 1, it will start from that. And while top is less than bottom. Okay, uh, so we can start from column itself. Column is equals to 0 and column is less than k, column plus plus. Okay, now we're going to initialize one more pointer. Temp is equals to, in this we have rid of x plus top value and one more is y in this also the column value. Okay, let's start grid of okay x of top and y of column. We need to just give that bottom value with swapping. Okay, we have to swap this value with respect to the bottom value. Okay, you got it right. Let's start with that. So x of top and y of okay, you have to tell me whether it will start from x of bottom or what do I need to give this in this particular the array in this particular matrix. So it will start from x of bottom. X of bottom is nothing. So I initialize the bottom as a k minus 1. So it is there. Okay, x of bottom and then y of column. Okay, column will not get affected. Just have to concentrate on the particular row and then get rid of x of bottom of particular column text, right? So just have to top plus plus and bottom will be minus minus. Okay, now I have to return the grid, actual grid. Let's start with this. Okay, I just wanted to check whether this check is also possible. 442, okay, 2323. Okay, got it. Now I have to submit this, and time complexity is reduced to very less because we are using top and bottom two pointers approach. Okay, let's start another questions. I hope you got it. You just have to concentrate on this problem. So let's check. I will give you the time to grab this one. Just maximum k to a short permutation. You are given an integer array nums of length 10. When nums is permutations of numbers in the range 0 to n minus 1. You may swap elements at indices I and j only if nums of I and nums of j is equals to k, where denotes bitwise and operations and k is non-negative integer. Okay, got it. Actually, this question is basically comes from bitwise operations. So prerequisite for this problem is you have to know the bitwise manipulation and this bitwise operation, how exactly it works and how it is done with the respective of a particular problem. Return the maximum value of k such that array can be sorted non-decreasing order using any number of such swaps. If nums is already sorted, return 0. Okay. A permutation is rearrangement of all elements of an array. Okay, I'll just go with the problem itself, how this problem is approaching it while using brute force approach for I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and then go with the j value. J will start from plus 1 less than n and j plus plus. I'm going to store the particular element. Okay, let's so say if the particular value nums of I and nums of say is equals to 1. Then temp will be nums of I will be nums of j and no, 1 minute, just give it a second. And it is equals to temp is equals to nums of I, right? And then nums of j, we will consider one more as a count. So basically we have to return how many times it's working. Okay, and we need to return this one. Let's see how many test cases it's going to pass. Just give me a second. Okay, I understand this problem. Actually, I have to solve this one in a BFS approach. Okay, not this approach. Actually, this problem is also you are going to give me a brute force approach. Let's find out whether it works or not. So let's start it. This is not the actual approach. I'm really sorry for that. So k will start from n minus 1 and then k is greater than 0. I will after that I will going to discuss it by that. Return k. So let's create one boolean. Can we sort this one? Can sort. K value and then go. So okay. We are going to initialize one boolean as visitor. Okay. Visitor. Let's create the DFS function. It's very simple and very easy. We can consider one as the private DFS. The visited value is boolean, and then one more is list of integer index or dates, and then start with visited of the to group and ID. Start with the is equal to 0 is the number of length a plus plus, and visited is not, if it is not visited, and you again it will set another value. We consider as a base, and we are using as a visit. Let's oh, oh, that is why it is not working right. And technical message is so much more. Okay, then the zero and zero is out of bounds. Okay, we only passed 736 out of 820 test cases. Let me explain what the problem statement is. What I think of it that why I used brute the DFS approach. So I will give a simple intuition for this particular problem. If two indices are in the same connected order component, you can move elements freely between those indices. So you can see the over here. Means, on the basis of this indices only we can move the elements and we can get the exactly the things, exactly the path. Okay. So inside connected component, the multiset of current values must match with the multiset of desired target values. Okay, this is what the exactly the things is. Find the connected components under that adjacency rules while using the DFS and on. To get the maximum K try K from high to low. So I will start from where I started. Okay, there only. So for that, K from n minus 1 down to 0. Return first K that allows the sorting. So basically, it will give you the sorting whether it is possible or not, and then can sort this one. You will get the for every index of I. So basically, just have to concentrate on this. If not visited from its connected component via DFS, so it has to check whether it is visited or not and collect the values. So after that, we gonna create one more list for that. So it will collect the entire values of nums of IDX. Okay, so basically it will collect the values present at the those indices. So basically it will collect the entire values which is present in this particular indexes. If we can permute the values arbitrarily sorting those indices means, so um, okay, the sorted list of the values must equal to the sorted list of indexes. So the index values and the sorted list is also similar with this. If not, then it will going to false the statement. Okay, like that only. False. And if it is a sorted one, then it will give you the true value. And we're going to simple DFS to collect all indices visible from U under adjacency nums of I, nums of U and nums of V is equals to K. So like that only it will take place and we'll get the sorted array. We have to optimize this problem. Let me think of it once again whether we are able to optimize this or not. So basically we use DFS approach for the traversing. So instead of that we can use the stack. So it will reduce the time complexity of the problem and you will get the particular things very quickly and very easily. So this part is same. Where is that? Short permutation. It will start from K to. Okay. This part is same. You just have to erase the DFS part and let's start with the can short part. I don't know whether I am able to explain in the correct way or correctly. I'm trying myself to show you the particular things in the best way. Okay, this part is same, it's correct, and DFS is we can use array as a stack. So it will store from rear end to and front end. Okay, so I'm going to create one array DQ. So integer stack. I hope you know the array DQ how exactly it goes on. Uh, okay. So this part is same. You just have to start dot push on file email and then we will get it exit get I is equals to 2 while stack is not empty. The front element, the rear element stack dot form we get from this and then id x dot add to the URL. Okay, the basically we are doing the entire DFS part over here. It will start from for and is equal to b is equal to 0 and b is less than and b plus plus. Let's visit it and also b okay then set it is equal to true and visit it true and stack dot push of the value we are really concerned about the remaining part is same. Okay, let's see. About it. Submit. Okay. While reducing these steps also it will not working perfectly fine. So I'm going to stop this contest now. I hope you got the things how to start with the solving this kind of problem. I'll just process only one easy level problem. I need to work hard to get this kind of problems too. Actually, this is basically the craft problem. Sometimes I got stuck. I get stuck from there. So if you know the concepts exactly, then you get to know how to optimize this solution. And we'll get okay. See you soon. Bye bye.